This year marks Johnson Controls' 140th anniversary, reflecting our long-standing commitment to innovation and sustainable built environments. For over 40 years, we've supported Singapore's growth with full lifecycle solutions. We deliver measurable outcomes through energy performance contracting, helping customers achieve their decarbonisation, operational and long-term goals. As Singapore celebrates SG60, we at Johnson Controls would like to congratulate the nation on 60 years of progress. Here are some recent landmark projects that demonstrate our ongoing commitment to the future of Singapore.
Did you know that in Singapore, commercial buildings account for nearly 20% of national carbon emissions? Our technologies and expertise support customers in realizing their sustainability goals while strengthening operational resilience and economic performance across the building lifecycle.
One recent project our team worked on successfully transformed one of the Singapore's largest mixed-use developments at the heart of Singapore city centre into a showcase of energy efficiency, innovation.
In terms of solution, we deploy energy performance contracting through the cooling as a service model, a comprehensive retrofit.
The project is set to cut around 88,000 tons of CO2 over 15 years, equivalent to the savings of 41,000 household annual electricity consumption. By transforming legacy system into intelligent infrastructure, this project reflects a broader shift in commercial real estate from static assets to dynamic outcome-driven environments.
As Singapore imports over 90% of our food, cold chain logistics are a critical pillar of national food security. Yet behind every fresh shipment is an invisible infrastructure, one that must keep goods cold, safe, and moving 24/7. Johnson Controls play a vital role in this ecosystem, delivering end-to-end refrigeration solutions with a deep understanding of operational realities.
This cold chain project is the first of its kind in Singapore, and it cannot afford any downtime. The transformation must take place without disturbing 24/7 business operation.
With no backup system in place, the margin for error was zero.
Guided by safety, sustainability, and energy performance, our team designed a fully natural refrigerant system powered by ammonia, a zero ozone depleting, high energy efficient refrigerant.
Today, the facility stands as one of Singapore's cold chain landmarks. Housing over 300 individual cold rooms in a single location, it is the largest concentration of its kind here in Singapore, and one of the most advanced in the region.
This was one of the largest and most complex projects we delivered in Singapore. A 24,000 square meter clean room for a greenfield semiconductor wafer manufacturing facility is designed, built, and delivered in just 18 months.
The customer needed ultra-precise environmental controls and equipment that could ride through a 2-second power dip. That's probably the most stringent case we have seen in Singapore. And at the same time, everything had to comply with NEA's minimum energy efficiency standards for new industrial facilities.
From a structured construction sequence to pre-engineered components, our expertise in project execution compressed timeline without compromising on quality or compliance. Our project team worked with the customer internal teams, global contractors, and nearly 100 different set of subcontractors on site.
This was one of the most ambitious projects we have ever tackled. It showcases what's possible when innovation and technical precision come together.
As we honour two legacies defined by innovation, leadership and continuous improvement, we build a shared commitment to deliver consistent, scalable impact for a better future. We remain a trusted partner committed to supporting Singapore for now and for years to come.
We are proud to be celebrating 2 milestones this year.
Wishing Johnson Controls a happy 140th birthday and happy SG60 Singapore.
Here is to celebrating innovation, leadership, and success together.
Shaping the future together.